Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bio 7 YouTube channel. I am Mohan Arthanari. If you like our channel videos, please click the subscription button. Support to me, kindly join to the YouTube membership. Okay, let's go to today video. Today we will discuss topic how to create a grouped pyramid plot in OriginPro. This website link mentioned to the description box. Okay, this link download link for the click the button. So I already installed the file. This is installed file. The installed method now. Okay, open the OriginPro workspace. The installation method for the open the file. Then drag and drag to the OriginPro workspace. Already installed. So then click the OK button. Okay, they installed the data. The check the for the app. Go to the plot menu. My template. And the installed for the grouped pyramid plot. Okay, now the create the method for the grouped pyramid graph. The data already entered in the OriginPro worksheet. The first one for the replications, the 3-time replication we take the A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, 3-time replications and A to F. Okay, then next one column for the Y column the group for the treatment, the T0, T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. The next one for the plant shoot length, the PSL short form. The next one for the plant root length. Okay, now the select the whole the data, go to the plot menu and go to the my template, then click for the grouped pyramid, click it. Okay, then make the graph for the grouped pyramid graph. Then next for the customized change for the settings in the grouped pyramid graph. Okay, now the change for the font Time Roman. This is the first the choose for the PSL. Okay, plant shoot length. Okay, change for the font. The next one change for the PRL. Okay, they change the font. If you click the bold, double click the PSL, select the letter and click the bold. Okay, the next one change the font. Okay, the next for the change for the color in the pyramid graph, first double click for the PRL. Okay, open the new tab for the plot details. Okay, the first one for the display the bar, symbols and connected line and the drop line. Next one for the pattern. Okay, this is for the color changing. The fill the color change to the color column. Click the button. Okay, the color option index to change for the group. Change for the color list the bold one. I change the candy. Okay, change the color candy, then applied it. This is for color applied. Okay, the next for the center of the bar, change to the style in the color in the black, border black, color black. Okay, then apply. This is for applied the black color. Change with the 1.5. Okay, then click the 1.5. Okay, next one for the label to the side of the PRL. The label value, they change the label value already color change to the auto. So change the manual color for the click the auto, click the by point, then change to for color list classic to the candy. Then indexing select for the group, apply. Okay, change the color, then color font change to the Time Roman, increase it 12, then click bold. Okay, the next one for the change to the graph in the PSL, double click the bar, open the new tab, the change for the border color in the black, width change to the 1.5 and color change to the same color for the PRL. Fill the color options, use the by points, change to the candy. Okay, then applied, the same color changed. Okay, they also the same change to the for the label, same option use label and the font is the Time Roman. Then change for increase size in 12. then select for the bold, then click apply OK. Okay, now the change font, then click the OK. The next one for the XH change for the replications the font, click the double click, open the new tab. The label change to the use for the label menu, change the font style. Okay, then click for the time new Roman, the increase the font size for the 12. Okay, the same the select for the bold. Okay, then click applied. Now they change the color, they change color for the choose the auto button, click the by point and change to the candy. Okay, the color options used to index in the group. Okay, then click OK, the same color selected. Okay, then click the OK button. This is for the pyramid group plot in the OriginPro. This graph export method, go to the file menu, export the graph and open the new dialog. The open the new tab for the export menu, the select for the image size in the JPG. Okay, the file name is grouped pyramid. Pyramid plots. Okay, the next change to the location file path. I select the installation, the save the location for the grouped pyramid plot folder, then click OK button. Then the crop size for the 7.38 into 7.18 inches. The DPI resolution increase the standard for the 300. If you increase it for the resolution, increase it for the DPI 600, 900 and 1200. If you low DPI, change to 200, 150 and 100. The standard for the 300. Okay, the width of the pixel 2212 and height of the pixel 2339. Okay, then click the OK button. The graph is export. Okay, the click the graph. Okay, this is for the grouped pyramid graph in the OriginPro software. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our channels, please click the subscribe button and support to me. Please join the YouTube channel membership. The link mentioned to the description box the last and the pin to the comment box. Okay, thank you.